One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. You say I started out with practically nothing, but that isn't correct. We all start with all there is. It's how we use it that makes things possible. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. Success is 99% failure. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. I see no advantage in these new clocks. They run no faster than the ones made 100 years ago. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. The way to learn to do things is to do things. The way to learn a trade is to work at it. Success teaches how to succeed. Begin with the determination to succeed, and the work is half done already.
And with that, we come to the end of our video. I hope these words of wisdom have inspired you to push past your limits and reach for your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Give us a thumbs up if you found the quotes motivating and share this video with your friends and family to spread the positivity. Lastly, I'd love to hear your thoughts on these quotes. Did any of them resonate with you? What are some of your favorite motivational quotes? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching,